44 gang. Hemi Life44. Stand up, let go. Blue gang don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dart the car. Yes, sir. Blue flame don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dart the car. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hemi Life44. Yeah. Hemi Life, yeah. Yes. Hemi Life, yeah.
Hemi Life44. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. 44 gang, what's happening, man? It's your boy Hemi Life44 back with another video. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and browse, man. We're going about 2020, man. Make sure y'all like this video, hit that like button, man. Yeah, y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel if you new to the channel. I keep looking this way because I'm waiting on them to give me my food. I'm in a drive-through. But yeah, make sure y'all like the video, man, and subscribe to the channel, man. And we almost at 100K, bro. If not at 100K when I drop this video, I'm not sure. But we almost at 100K right now. So I appreciate everybody, our support. Even after we hit 100K, man, the next goal, like I said, I'll celebrate 100K, 200K, 300K, 400K, and all that, man. But the next goal is 1 million, bro. That's my next goal, is 1 million. You know what I mean? I told them to put bacon on her, they ain't put no bacon. They did me dirty. The next goal is 1 million though, man, so that's what we aiming for. I'm not gonna set my goal low, which 200,000 ain't low, but I wanna reach 1 million, so why not just go and set my goal for that 1 million and let's go after that. Anything before that is a blessing, you know what I mean? But I'm waiting on Scapehead Black, man. He in line to get some of you too. Hey, y'all keep rocking with the channel, man. And I would say this, please share every video, man. If y'all really rock with me, share it on some type of platform. Share it somewhere, you know what I mean? So somebody else can see it, you know what I mean? So, yeah, but I appreciate everybody that's supporting and rocking with the channel and already sharing and liking every video. You know what I'm saying? I really appreciate that. So make sure y'all subscribe to Hemi Life44, which is my wife's channel. We trying to get her to 20,000. She had 16,000, maybe 17, I'm not sure. But let's get her to 20K. Also, we finna start back posting on the family channel, man. It's just been hectic right now, man. We trying to get all these channels going and get everything running right, along with all the merch, HemiLife44.com, HemiLife44.com, with all that. A lot going on, along with 4 kids just not going back to school. You know what I'm saying? So it's a lot. We trying to juggle it out. But right now, man, I'm actually finna wash my car. My car is like, it's embarrassing, and I don't even know how to say it, but I know how to say embarrassing. I was gonna say something else, but it's pretty embarrassing right now the way my car look. You know what I'm saying? It's real. It's that dirty. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta get it washed. Got that black car just as dirty. Then we got to go over here and drop his car off at this stop. So, yeah. But we're going to see what's happening, man. Turn the camera back on soon as we get moving and grooving. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. Bro, y'all can't really tell y'all can't really tell how dirty my car is right now, bro. But it is bad. Like, look at it. I don't know if y'all can really tell. But look. It is bad, bro. It's terrible. My car ain't been this dirty in a long time. Ride car way worse than mine. Look at that. Look at that. It is black. Look at rims, bro. I ain't gonna touch that. That mud dirty. So we had to come get our car washed, man. Had to. It was a must. But I want y'all to see how clean these cars are gonna be once they done, though. They do their thing up here. Like I say, I drive like, me and him drive like 35, 40 minutes just for this wash. You know what I'm saying? So it be worth it, man. I ain't gonna lie. They do their thing. Whip's looking real spectacular. You know what I'm saying? They got us looking good, man. We looking good. Boy, Scapehead Black looking good. up, homeboy?
What's up?
You was over asleep early. Look just like your mama. Boom. That thing pressure. Some more pressure right here. You know what I'm saying? Hold up, 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 hold up. Oh! I'm finna holler at him about something myself. That truck hard. That truck hard. A 44 game, man. My boy Scat Black dropped this car off. Getting something done to it. Y'all go to this channel to see what he getting done. But hey, before we get into this, bro, y'all, I know it's gonna be some people. Oh man, listen to that. He just made that video just because, and no, that ain't what it was at all. So this is what I was thinking though. So I want a Hellcat. Hellcat. I talked to Hemi wife. Talked to Hemi wife about the Hellcat. She with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty much waiting on my credit dude to give me the okay to go on and boom, boom, boom. That's all I was really waiting on, bro. But then I started thinking, I ain't gonna lie, I started thinking like, would that be my best move? Because I'm not getting rid of no car if I get the Hellcat. And bro, that's gonna be three big payments that I'm paying on cars, number one, which I can make the payments, but it's like, do I want to make those payments when the other thing I was thinking was I can get me an old school and get, because y'all know that's what I'm into, get me an old school, get to working on the old school, build that up. Once I build that up, you know what I mean, once we done took care of some more stuff that me and Hemi wife want to take care of, then I can get the Hellcat. I was thinking that. And then I was also thinking, I'm talking to him. Let me close this, boy. I'm talking to Scat Black. He hit me up and told me we got the plug on the Widebody kits, the OEM Widebody kits. So it's like, do I really want to go pay almost 100,000? Well, I say not almost 100,000. The car was $79,000. Do I really want to go pay $90,000, $85,000 for extra what? 200 horsepower, 220 horsepower, and a Widebody kit when I can get the Widebody kit? I ain't gonna give y'all that price unless Scat Black won't give y'all that price. You know what I'm saying? Somebody told him, so I ain't in liberty to.
They saying one price. Some of them saying one price.
Yeah, but we can get them for another price. You know what I'm saying? The OEM front bumper, rear bumper, and the sides, the fender flares, and the side skirts or whatever. Let me open this back up a little dark. But yeah, so it's like I can put that on this car, and I'm already finna start modding this car, making it faster. So mod this car, put that on this car, then I gotta, you know what I'm saying? Then I pretty much got the Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? Without taking up my payments, without spending extra money on the car. And then, after I'm done with that, if I want to go get the Hellcat, then go get the Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? But, I don't know. The Hellcat still is not out. This is just what I'm thinking, bro. The Hellcat is still, like, I'm not going to get it. It's just right now, I got a lot of thoughts. Like, do I really want to get the Hellcat and pay this amount of money? But I can tell you now, I'm going to be paying about $1,300 a month. I know that. Like, I'm going to be paying about $1,300 a month. On top of paying on this car, on top of paying on Hemi wife car. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, do I really want to go do that? Or do I just want to mod this car? Make this car fast? You know what I'm saying? Put the Widebody kit on here, which counts for a lot more content. You know what I'm saying? That's a lot more content I can bring y'all versus me just going to buy a car. And then at the same time, still trying to mod this car and that car, because obviously I'm not done with this car. You know what I mean? So, I don't know, it's just a thought. I had the Hellcat at the time was like let me go on and get this because I want it. And that's normally how I am. Like, I have a thought, and I react off that thought real quick. You know know what I'm saying? I don't really think much into it. But this time I started, you know what I'm saying? I had a little time to think. So I'm thinking, should I do this? Should I do that? You know what I'm saying? So now it's like, I don't know if I want to get the Hellcat or do I just want to just add all type of stuff to this car. Let me complete this car first. There's still a whole bunch of stuff I ain't done in this car. You know what I'm saying? Let me complete this car first versus going to buy another car paying about $1,300 a month and trying to fix up both of these cars now. Then on top of that, I can't get my old school. Now, if I wanted to fix up this car, I can still go get the old school while I'm fixing on this car. And be fixing on that too. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know, it's a lot of thought. What you think, bro?
Widebody. See, I was thinking the same thing. And I asked everybody on my YouTube. Everybody was like, probably a couple people that said go get the Hellcat, but everybody was like, man, I would wrap that thing right there.
Yeah.
Then the chrome red wrap on the Widebody.
Yeah. So see, that's the smarter decision. And go on in. Nah, keep this
for
car.
what we getting it for too?
Oh yeah. The price, and that's what it was. The price that we getting that Widebody kit for, bro, it's like, I still don't believe it, to be honest. I ain't, like, I still got to go up there and talk to it. Matter of fact, I'm not going to believe it till I pay that money and I got every part of that, you know what I'm saying, that kit. I just feel like it's still going to be something missing, bro. I feel like it's still going to be something missing. But, I don't know, man. That's just a thought. Y'all get in the comments, bro. Y'all let me know what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get in the comments. Let me know if I should get the Hellcat. Should I mod this car? Should I Widebody this car? Should I rewrap this car? You know what I'm saying? So or should I just play with this car before I get that? You know what I'm saying? Y'all get in the comments. Y'all let me know what y'all thoughts are. You know what I'm saying? But that's just what I was thinking. Like I say, it's not that I don't want the Hellcat. It ain't that I went and got the numbers on the Hellcat and I can't afford the Hellcat. Because I can afford the Hellcat right now. Honestly, I can afford the Hellcat. But it's like, do I want to do that? You know what I'm saying? I done made so many drastic decisions in life and didn't think, man, and it cost me in so many ways. You know what I'm saying? And I just want to make sure I'm making the right one this time and I ain't rushing it. You know what I'm saying? But I definitely feel like it's time for a new car. Whether that be we go buy a new car or we make this one faster, we Widebody this one, or whatever the case may be. But y'all let me know, man, because y'all feedback is important, you know what I mean? But that video I made a few days ago was very real, bro. Like, that was very real. Like, I hit up my credit dude after that, talked to him about 2 or 3 days, making sure I'm getting right. You know what I'm saying? Make sure everything right for me to go and go get it. You know what I'm saying? So that was very real. That wasn't no, let me go make a good video because I ain't got nothing. That wasn't nothing like that. That was real. But it's like now I done start thinking. Once he told me the price of that Widebody kit, that's what really did it for me, bro. When he told me the price of that Widebody kit, I know KD can put it on. I know KD can put it on. Hellcat KD, man. Y'all make sure y'all follow my boy Hellcat KD, man. That's who just called me and interrupted the video. You know what I'm saying? But it was business call, you understand me? And then that's my boy anyway, so. But y'all follow him on Instagram, man. Hellcat_K.D. He do everything. That's who do our lights. That's who do these. He didn't do mine because he started after I got mine done. That's who do these. Now, he do everything comes. Everything that's needed to be done on the car, bro, he can do it. Except for under the hood. Some of that stuff he can do. He just ain't told me he can do that. He just ain't told me he doing that. But he can do it. You know what I'm saying? But he ain't told me he adding that to the business yet. But anything else, y'all hit him up, bro. But yeah, like I said, y'all get in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all think. What I should do. I think Scabbard Black, he ain't, the Hellcat is out of question for him.
Yeah, this guy, man. I was thinking about it real hard at first.
Yeah.
I was about to get it. But now.
That's why I say the price of that kit, bro, is That's the legit price, bro. I'll be anybody that's, I mean, I ain't gonna say anybody, but in my case, I feel like I'd be a fool to go get a Hellcat when I can get the Widebody for that price. So that's one reason why I want to do it. I want the Widebody and I want the horsepower. But I can go mind my car and get that for cheaper. I can go take a couple, maybe 5,000. Pretty much the money that I was gonna put down on that Hellcat is more, because we thought about it, the most we were gonna have to put 10,000 down. I could take less than that and have what I want. You know what I'm saying? So that seemed like the smarter route to go. But I don't know, man. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. Like I said, the Hellcat the Hellcat is not out of the question. It's not out. But I'm doing some heavy thinking right now. I don't want to press nothing. Yeah, so like I said, y'all get in the comments. Y'all like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel if you hadn't already. We're almost at 100K. Make sure y'all subscribe to Scat Pat Black channel, man. Give him the 10. Where you at?
Man, 7,100.
Give him 10,000, man.
Scat Pat _ Black.
Yeah, give him the 10,000.
I'm trying to hit that 10K. Then we're gonna get to that 100K.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. My head's in the ass. I'm tired. Y'all know I end all my videos, man. In the meantime, in between time to the next video.